Hey there YouTube, good afternoon. When I was out yard sailing today, I saw this lawnmower on the side of the road for $5 and I thought it was too good to be true. So I went up to the house and I asked the people, is the price true? And they said yeah. So I thought the price was a no-brainer, so I gave them the $5 and took it home. It's a 2006 Weed Eater. It has the 4.5 horsepower Briggs engine on it with the carburetor on top of the metal gas tank, the plastic carburetor. The people said it was missing a spring, and in between the shroud here and the air cleaner there was like a twig that was wedged in there, maybe to keep it running, I don't know. But they said it was missing a spring. It needed a spring because the engine was running like crap, of course. And I took the air cleaner off and I seen that both springs were present. Let me remove this screw here. Yeah, both springs are present. There's a small spring that goes from the eye, the governor eye, for the air vane, to this little bracket here, and then there's the long spring, which everybody is familiar with. I did find out when I got it home and just let the engine run. I did find out that without the air cleaner on, the engine would run pretty damn good, but when I would put the air cleaner back on, the engine would run like crap. So I think it's a combination of the diaphragm below the carburetor and a dirty air cleaner or air filter. I might as well give you guys a demonstration while I'm at it. Yeah, I don't think this carburetor has had a diaphragm replacement in its life. So I'll prime it. And I'll try to hold the camera while I remove the air cleaner. Fucking Harleys, I swear. I can't stand them damn things. Yeah, I think it's a combination of that diaphragm below the carburetor and a dirty air filter. Yeah, I don't think this thing has had a diaphragm installed in its life. It's probably the original one. The air filter, of course, from the bottom looks pretty dirty, but when you would separate it, it looks okay. It just needs to be washed and oiled, I guess, probably. Usually on these engines, I just go out and buy a diaphragm kit for it and just throw it on, because if I resell the mower, I don't want the mower coming back, if you know what I mean. I like to stand behind my products I sell, so yeah. Weed Eater lawnmower for $5. Looks like it has no rust. No brainer, buy. And yeah, I think those two things, the diaphragm and an air cleaner cleaning, will cure that problem that the mower has. And yeah, $5, no brainer. And that concludes the video. Have a good night. Bye.